Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to get Writer World. First, you'll want to understand what Writer World offers and if it aligns with your interests. Next, check the specific requirements for joining, such as age or equipment. Finally, find the official website or app to ensure a secure and legitimate entry point. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth experience. Once you've found the platform, the next step is registration. Fill out all required fields on the sign-up form carefully. You'll likely need to verify your account, often through an email link or a text message code. After verification, personalize your profile. Adding key details helps you connect and engage effectively within the Writer World community. Hey everyone, if you're finding this guide helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content. Quick recommendation: make meal prep a breeze with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for keeping your food fresh and organized, whether you're on the go or at home. Check the description below for the link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. With your account ready, it's time to explore. Take some time to navigate through all the main features Writer World offers. Don't hesitate to engage with other users. Many platforms thrive on community interaction. If you encounter any questions or issues, remember to check the help section or support resources. They are there to assist you.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.